Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to log into your Gmail account on your phone. Whether you are using the Gmail app or the default mail app, I have got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about where you want to check your email. You can either use the Gmail app or the default mail app on your phone. For this demo, let's start with the Gmail app. If you don't have it yet, check out my video on how to download it. Once you have got the app, tap the Gmail icon on your home screen. If you are using the Gmail app and you are not signed in yet, you will see the sign in button on the main screen. Tap that and tap on Google. Now, you will be prompted to enter your Google email address, that's your Gmail address. Tap it in. Next, you will be asked for your password. Enter it carefully and tap next. And just like that, you are in. You will now see your inbox and can start reading, composing, and managing your emails right from the Gmail app. That's all there is to it. Logging into Gmail on your phone is super simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.